You've searched on the internet, how can I fix my hunchback posture? And Google told you, just do these exercises. Do this, then this one. But today I wanna prove to you that all of them are nonsense. And I'm gonna give you a method that just takes you 5 seconds a day and fixes your hunchback posture with your mind only. No workouts at all. We will go through 3 steps right here, right now, to fix your posture forever. Step 1. Find your ideal posture. Before you can fix your hunchback, you need to know what your body should look like. You need to imagine it clearly. There are 3 main types of bad posture. Hunchback. It makes your body look like this. To fix it, you need to tighten up your back muscles and move to this position. Forward head. It makes you look like this. To fix it, focus on your neck muscles and move them to this shape. Rounded shoulders. Makes your body look like this. You need to focus on your chest muscles and contract them to get to this position. Alright, now that you've learned this, pause the video and stand in front of a big mirror. Try to fix all 3 types of bad posture the best way you can. Look at yourself carefully. Now I want you to save this image of your perfect posture in your mind. This part is super important. Make sure you've memorized how you look in your ideal posture. To test it, first close your eyes and imagine that pose again. If you can do that, now stand up and try to copy that exact posture again. If you did it right, congrats. Let's move to step 2. Step 2. Imagine. In my method to fix posture, we need something that happens often during a day. Something you do standing up. And that is walking through doors. Look at this door. Maybe you've seen those movies from 90s where there were curtain ropes hanging from doors. Just look at this picture and imagine it clearly. Now turn around and look at the door in your room. Try to imagine that kind of curtain hanging from top of your door. Do it a few times so that every time you pass through any door, you imagine those ropes hanging down. Now stand up, walk through that door and feel those ropes gently brushing your face. That's it for step 2. Just make sure you do it properly and remember the things you need to imagine. Have you ever wondered why all the content on this channel either comes from great writers or my own experiences? Well, let me tell you something. You can also become a writer for this channel. You can see your name in every single video. Just join my Telegram group and help me out. Step 3. Combine step 1 and 2. Repeat this sentence a few times. This curtain gives a magic shock to my nerves that transforms me from a hunchback to my ideal body. If you did this, right now your mind is fully trained and ready to keep your posture straight forever. Here's what I want you to do for the next month. Every time you walk through any door, imagine and feel that curtain brushing your face. And instantly snap into perfect posture you imagined in step 1. How does this method work? Your muscle kinda got batteries. Every time you stand up straight, it's like you're turning them on. But when your muscles are weak, these batteries run out of power fast. You already know, the more you contract a muscle, the stronger it gets. So with my trick, you're passing through doors multiple times a day and activating your muscles. And every time you do that, you're using all the battery charge, and that makes your muscle get stronger. Day by day, those batteries hold more charge. So in a month, without wasting time on workouts, you'll have muscles that are strong enough to just hold your body straight. Not like a bodybuilder, just strong for your posture. If you like this new kind of video, subscribe